The Prime Minister is spending Diwali with our soldiers. He's in Nowshera sector of Jammu and Kashmir along the line of control, keeping up with his practice and his tradition of spending the festival with army personnel. This time too, Prime Minister Modi met with soldiers. Prime Minister also was seen paying tribute to soldiers who lost their lives in the line of duty. In fact, while addressing the soldiers, the Prime Minister told them that our forces are his family. The Prime Minister also hailed India's effort to strengthen its defence infrastructure and said that now 65% of the defence budget was spent within the nation. Prime Minister Modi also said that India has to adapt the military capabilities in line with changing world structures and the mode of war. He said also that earlier it used to take years together to procure defence equipment for security forces, but today India stands prepared and ready with the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Prime Minister Modi also hailed India's Nari Shakti initiative and said that now all military colleges are open in fact for women. He also in fact spoke about the surgical strikes, remembering how it was a tense moment for him and how our soldiers did the country proud.
मेरा भी मन करता है कि मैं दिवाली मेरे परिवारजनों के बीच में मनाऊं और इसीलिए हर दिवाली मैं मेरे परिवारजनों के बीच मनाने के लिए आता हूं, क्योंकि आप मेरे परिवारजन हैं, मैं आपका परिवार का साथी हूं। तो मैं यहाँ प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में नहीं आया हूं, मैं आपके परिवार के एक सदस्य के रूप में आया हूं। आप सभी के बीच आना, जो भाव अपने परिवार के बीच जाकर के होता है, वही भाव मेरे मन में होता है। सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक में यहां की ब्रिगेड ने जो भूमिका निभाई, वो हर देशवासी को गौरव से भर देता है और वो दिन तो मैं हमेशा याद रखूंगा, क्योंकि मैं कुछ तय किया था सूर्यास्त के पहले कि सब लोग लौट करके आ जाने चाहिए, और मैं हर पल फोन की घंटी पर टिकटका के बैठा हुआ था कि आखिर से आखिर मेरा जवान पहुंच गया क्या, और कोई भी नुकसान किए बिना ये मेरे वीर जवान लौट करके आ गए, पराक्रम करके आ गए, सिद्धि प्राप्त करके आ गए। सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक के बाद यहां अशांति फैलाने के अनगिनत कुत्सित प्रयास हुए, आज भी होते हैं, लेकिन हर बार आतंकवाद को मुंह तोड़ जवाब मिलता है। असत्य और अन्याय के खिलाफ इस धरती में एक स्वाभाविक प्रेरणा है, माना जाता है, और मैं मानता हूं ये अपने आप में बड़ी प्रेरणा है। ऐसा माना जाता है कि पांडवों ने भी अज्ञातवास के दौरान अपना कुछ समय इसी क्षेत्र में व्यतीत किया था। आज आप सबके बीच आकर मैं अपने आप को यहां की ऊर्जा से जुड़ा हुआ महसूस कर रहा हूं।
Let's take this across now to Sunilji Bhatt, who's joining us live from Nowshera and Rajouri. Sunilji, we just played out some of the highlights of what the Prime Minister had to tell all the soldiers who'd gathered there. Not just speaking about how he believes our soldiers are his family, the Prime Minister, made very important points about how we need to focus on, developing our defense mechanisms. He's also spoken about women entering the armed forces and importantly mentions also what happened during the surgical strikes.
Absolutely, Akshita. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his address to the army jawans touched upon many important issues, and he spoke about women empowerment, and he also said that the nation is proud of the armed forces, their sacrifices. He recalled the contribution of the Nowshera Brigade during the surgical strikes. He said that it was because of the valiant efforts of the Nowshera Brigade that we were able to inflict heavy damage on the enemy during the surgical strikes. And Takshita, I just want to give one update that the Prime Minister's chopper has taken off from the Nowshera helipad and he is now going to Jammu airport, and from there he will return to New Delhi. But very important things which have been said by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his address to the army jawans. It was a moral booster for the jawans here at the Naushera Brigade. He said that it was because of the sacrifices which are being made by the army jawans that nation was able to celebrate festivals like Deepavali. He said that that everyone wants to be with their families during the festival of Deepavali, but these army jawans are sacrificing their happiness, their joy, and he tried to strike a personal chord with the army jawans. He said that he himself is also part of their family. So it was a moral booster for the army jawans, a big moment for these army jawans who are serving the nation, who are serving Mother India, who are deployed here at the line of control. They are working here under very difficult circumstances. Enemy is always looking for an opportunity to create mayhem, to inflict damage.
Right.
But our brave jawans who are posted here, who are deployed here, are always maintaining strict vigil, and they have foiled nefarious designs of the enemy many times. And
That's right.
Akshita, one important thing which Prime Minister Narendra Modi talked about was the contribution of Brigadier Usman, who is known as the Lion of Naushera. During the 1947-48 war, because of his efforts, enemy was not able to capture Naushera. So he played an important role. Brigadier Usman, Prime Minister Modi talked about his role, his contribution. And before meeting the army jawans, Prime Minister Narendra Modi directly went to the Martyrs Memorial inside the Naushera Brigade. He laid a wreath on the Martyrs Memorial and paid tributes to them. So it was a big moment for the army jawans here at the Naushera Brigade. Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself came and spent some quality time with them. He distributed sweets to them and said that he was part of their family. He was like one of their family members. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi once again spent Diwali with the army jawans. It has now become a tradition since he became the Prime Minister.
It's a big message really to our forces, Sunilji. You can only imagine how our soldiers also would be feeling missing home right now, away from home for Diwali. And the Prime Minister making this a practice essentially to serve a reminder to our forces that we as a nation are grateful to them. Sunilji, thank you very much for joining us.